These are basic shoemaking tools that we used in our sneakers course. This is a shoemaking knife for scarving. It has curved blade for better scarving, pincers to work with in lasting process. This is awl that we used to sew shoe sole to the upper with this awl with hook. This is clicking knife, but if you don't have this special knife to cut leather, you can use utility knife. Silver pen to mark all important marks that we have on the upper and lining pattern. This knife is alternative for lip knife to cut soles, insoles, and you can buy this knife for carpets in your hardware store. This is a shoemaking hammer that we use almost in any operation during our work. This is brush to apply patina, and you can use any other that you can find. This is an alternative tool, and instead of irons you can make this tool by yourself from wood. What you need to know to make variety of sneakers. Learn to make sneakers based on derby construction. This construction where quarters are sewn separately from the vamp, like this. Here you can make sneakers like boot type sneakers, Vans or Air Jordan sneakers. Learn to make sneakers based on Oxford construction. Here quarters are a part of the vamp. This way you can make any sport shoes, like Nike Air Force, Adidas Saki shoes or any other sport casual shoes. Learn how to make derby and Oxford sneakers construction both for high top sneakers and for low top sneakers. This way you will learn to make any sneakers you like. I want to show you 3 shoelace types to make your sneakers. With this shoelace you can make only Vans sneakers, like this one. It has wider bottom and we cover this width with special Vans sole. The problem with this shoelace is that we restricted to use this type of soles, Vans soles. Boot sneakers shoelace type. It's higher than casual shoelace type, straighter in the back and wider in the instep. Using this shoelace type, you can make soles for your sneakers using almost any material. But you're restricted to make only sneakers with high top, because we have here boot sneakers shoelace. Cord shoelace type for women or for men. Using this shoelace type, you can create any designs of your sneakers with low top, high top, using any materials for the sole.